So first of all, when I sit on a microscope, I like to just briefly clean my lenses. So use the lens paper, rip out a page, and just go over the eyepieces and the other lenses. So the parts of the microscope is first you plug it in, take the plug of the microscope, make sure it's securely fastened. You turn on the light switch, and you should turn on the intensity of the light all the way. You see the camera light, it's lit on, it's turned blue when it's on. And then this little button here on the side takes the light from the eyepieces to the camera, and you can see it on your device. These are the objectives, and you can turn it around. The objective with the red is the 4x, the yellow is the 10x, the blue is the 40x, and then you have 100x, the white, the oil immersion lens. What do you use for microscope? This lever here is the XY stage coordinator. So once you have your stage on there, you don't pull the slide, but you can actually just move it left, right, and front and back. On the other side, you have your coarse and fine focus, where you can move the stage up and down and bring your specimen into focus. That's fine focus. You have the little button underneath the stage is where you adjust your condenser height. That's important for coloring. And then at the bottom you have your field diaphragm, which is also important for coloring and adjusting the light. You have another diaphragm here where you can adjust the brightness and the contrast. So in order to color, you put your mounting slide or any other slide with something on it. You have to first focus on something on the slide. If it's too bright, you can close it. You can color at 4x or at 10x. And coloring indicates to have the correct focus and the adjustment of your microscope. So you focus on something on the microscope. You can see that on the monitor. You adjust the condenser height. You close your field diaphragm and adjust the condenser. You see a clear polygon in the middle. Then you open your field diaphragm and you're ready to do microscopy. Once you have the condenser set, you don't touch that anymore. It stays. But make sure you have a clear view and you keep the clean microscope. Right, what you should not do with the microscope. These microscopes are about $2,500 a piece. Please be careful with them. There's a tension knob on the side here. Do not change, don't touch the right buttons here at all, because it can damage the inside of the microscope. On the left side, there's also a tension button beyond the coarse focus. So you only use the big coarse focus button and the fine focus. Do not touch the wheel on the back. Also, if you have any oil or anything else on your microscope, please wipe it down with lens paper so that the next person using the microscope can actually use it. And furthermore, please keep it in good condition. If there's any oil on the 100x, make sure you wipe the oil off, and never, ever, ever get the 40x lens into the oil. I hope you enjoy the microscopy.